Why do 100% of our students pass the APMP exam? Because Baachu Scribble makes success inevitable. With 45 comprehensive video lessons, a 300-plus page study guide, and handy chapter pass cards, you'll have everything you need to ace the APMP exam. Need more support? Get access to an intense revision program with 3+ hours of online resources, 150 practice questions, and a realistic mock exam. Choose your learning style. Self-paced online blended learning with live webinars or an immersive 2.5-day workshop. Join 800+ professionals in 38 countries who have achieved APMP certification with us. Don't just dream about success, achieve it. Enroll now and turn your career dreams into reality. Baachu Scribble, your success is our mission.